Friends, here our concept is how to make bash shell scripts as portable with any Unix or Linux systems. Let me go with that. See, first of all, what is a shebang line? Simply which shell we are using to execute our shell scripts. That is nothing but shebang line. Suppose in our case we are implementing bash shell scripts. That's why our shebang line is bin bash starting with hash exclamatory. That's fine. And here there is one important point, that is on my operating system bash shell is there in bin location. That's why I'm taking shebang line as /bin/bash. Let me show you this on my operating system. See, as of now I am using Ubuntu, and on my Ubuntu if you look for the path of bash, it is there in /bin, or simply if you run some command ls command, yes, it is there in bin location. That's fine. Now let me go with one more operating system. See, this is my RHEL operating system, and here if you look for your bash shell, it is there in the different location. That means based on your operating system, where it is Linux or Ubuntu, right, or CentOS, you need to concentrate on the path of your bash. Now let me do one thing. I will write a simple shell script. So let me write simply demo.sh. I am writing on my RHEL. So the path of your shell is /user/bin/bash. Let me write a simple command. This is about portability. Fine. Now let me save it. Let me provide the execution permission. Now I am running. Yes, you are getting some output, means it's working perfectly. Now let me copy same code into our Ubuntu. There I will try to execute. So simply I am writing here demo.sh script. Let me provide the execution permission. Now let me run it. It is not executing. Even though it is shell script, now your shell script is not executing on your Ubuntu server. But same script we are able to execute on your RHEL server. What is the reason? The reason is about the path of your bash shell. The bash is there in different location on your Ubuntu server. It is there in bin bash, but in your Linux it is there, in your RHEL it is there under /user/bin/bash. So based on your Linux or RHEL or Ubuntu or Fedora, based on that operating system, you need to modify your interpreter line or shebang line. Actually, you don't need to modify. That is nothing but portability here. So how we can do that? Very simple. See that? First of all, let me run which env command. So it will give the location of your env command. Now let me go to my RHEL. Here also I am running which env. Now it is giving the path of your env command. But if you observe that path is same, whether it is RHEL or your Ubuntu, path of your env command is same. Now by using this env command, we can make our bash shell script as portable with your all Unix or Linux systems. How? It is very simple. Let me open now our demo.sh on our Ubuntu server and let me copy this. So instead of writing your shebang line as in this way, now what we will do is, going forward we will use this one, /user/bin/env, then bash. Then your env command will take care about the path of your bash. That's it. Now see, let me run. It's working. Now let me copy same code to your RHEL. Now we no need to bother about the location of your bash shell. Your env command will take care. Okay, we need to copy 2 lines. That's it. Now let me save it and run it. It's working, right? So friends, simply we can make our shell scripts as portable regarding your bash shell path on your any of Unix or Linux systems by using #/user/bin/env space bash shell. That's it. Okay. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video.